Here we have a current shape Toyota Corolla Cross, sheepskin acrylic front fitted in bamboo and rear plain black suede. I'll put timestamps if you're watching from YouTube so you can jump from front to back as well. So we'll start with the front pair. We have separate headrests. Seat covers are profiled to the shape of the Corolla Cross seat. Seat covers go inside the capping on the door sides of the bases. Airbag provision on the door sides of both backrests. Airbag provision on the inside of the driver's backrest as well. Driver's door side has height control. As you can see, our seat covers go inside the capping, so lumbar, height adjustment are both accessible. Full backrest back coverings on this particular model. You have the option to leave the map pocket open on the passenger side if you choose. Now we jump onto the rear seat. So as I mentioned at the start, it's plain black suede. This is a GX model, so it has 3 separate headrests, access and function of the center lap sash belt, access to the ISOFIX points on the base. Backrest is a 60-40 split, so both seats can fold independently like so. 60 side folded down, but 40 side can also fold down. Custom has optioned full suede on the back of the backrest, which makes it a full fit suede seat cover for this particular one.